So the standard that I would be looking for is 1.25 seconds to the first shot, 25 to the second shot. That would be 1.5 seconds, 150, and then 50 coming up is a half a second. So 2 seconds would have been great. I was about 2.58 seconds. That's a little slow to the first shot, and the second shot. Okay, my first shot that I edited out was from the red dot. I made a human error, but then I fired red dot iron sights. They agree. They're pretty much dead on. Then I went back to 25 yards and first shot. That's the whole advantage of that RMR. Now I have some 1-inch squares. If I shoot these from 5 yards, I'm gonna have to put my dot at the top of the square. If I shoot them from 10 yards, the mechanical offset starts to vanish and I'll be able to aim pretty much dead on this center. Definitely some room to improve. I've got minus 1, 2, 3 points. So out of 90 points, 87 out of 90. It's not bad. I think I can do a little bit better when I practice more often. Okay, I call this drill bird on a fence because I'm going to walk back and forth with 12 rounds loaded in my gun, holstered, concealed. Every time I hear a beep, I'm going to turn, fire one shot at one plate, holster, and then run it again. I only have 12 rounds, 12 plates, so I've got to get every hit. I'm almost pretending like I have loved ones behind those plates, and that if I miss, I'm shooting where I don't want a round to go. I'm also shooting odds and evens on each rack. Just your fundamentals have to be pretty perfect. It's the first hit, not the first miss. You can see the shot placement's pretty decent. That's another one on the edge that I don't like. And you can see these I was actually hitting a little left. So you can see your shot placement and pretty good drill, bird on the fence.